The justice system is a cornerstone of any democracy. It is meant to be blind, treating everyone equally under the law. However, the increasing use of the justice system for political ends threatens this fundamental principle. This weaponization of justice occurs when legal proceedings are driven by partisan agendas rather than a genuine pursuit of justice. The consequences of this trend are far-reaching. When people lose faith in the impartiality of the justice system, the rule of law is undermined. This can lead to a breakdown of social order and erode trust in democratic institutions. The prosecution of Donald Trump, a former president and current candidate for the Republican nomination, has become a flashpoint in the debate over the weaponization of justice. Critics argue that the charges against Trump are politically motivated, designed to prevent him from seeking office again. This case raises serious questions about the state of the American justice system and its vulnerability to political manipulation. The outcome of this case will have profound implications for the future of American democracy. The prosecution of Donald Trump is unprecedented in American history. Never before has a former president faced criminal charges while campaigning for office. This situation has ignited intense debate and scrutiny. Trump faces multiple charges, including financial misconduct and attempts to overturn the 2020 election. The charges stem from various investigations. Trump and his supporters claim the charges are politically motivated. Proponents argue that no one, not even a former president, is above the law. The outcome remains uncertain but will impact American politics and the justice system. Much of the current legal battle surrounding Donald Trump centers around his prosecution in New York. This state-level prosecution carries significant implications, both for Trump himself and for the broader American justice system. One key aspect is the political landscape of New York. As a predominantly Democratic state, concerns have been raised about the potential for political bias influencing the prosecution. Critics argue that the decision to pursue charges against Trump in New York is driven by partisan motivations, aiming to damage his political future. They point to the fact that similar charges were not pursued at the federal level as evidence of a politically motivated prosecution. Furthermore, the state-level prosecution raises questions about the potential for a patchwork of legal actions against individuals who hold or have held national office. If different states can pursue charges based on their own political leanings, it could create a situation where individuals are subject to politically motivated prosecutions across the country. This case highlights the complexities and potential pitfalls of state-level prosecutions against individuals with national profiles. The outcome of the New York case will likely have far-reaching consequences, shaping the future of legal actions against high-profile political figures. At the heart of the prosecution against Donald Trump is Michael Cohen, his former personal attorney. Cohen, once loyal to Trump, is now a key witness against him. However, Cohen's credibility is hotly debated. He has admitted to lying to Congress and has been convicted of financial crimes. These actions have tarnished his reputation. Trump's supporters argue Cohen is lying to reduce his own legal troubles. They point to his history of dishonesty. The prosecution maintains Cohen's testimony is credible and corroborated. They argue Cohen has a strong incentive to tell the truth. The jury will decide whether to believe Cohen's testimony. His credibility issues present a challenge for the prosecution.